Durafast MX2 is a bicomponent epoxy compound with an extraordinary capacity of adhesion to metal, ceramic and concrete. Its 1mm ceramic spheres of aluminum oxide makes it perfect for repair and protection of pieces and equipment usually exposed to high levels of abrasion, impact and vibration caused by fine particles. Each Durafast MX2 kit includes hardener, resin, solvent and all the required elements for the application of the product. Surface preparation. Before applying Durafast MX2, scrape the surface with an abrasive disc until white metal and a porous surface. The desired profile is 3 to 5 mm. Apply the Durafast cleaning solvent to remove all traces of oil, grease, dust or any other substance and let it dry. Mixing procedure. Remove resin and hardener from their packaging. If mixing by hand, place both elements on a disposable and smooth surface, maintaining a 1:1 ratio. If mixing with an electric mixer, place both elements together in a bucket. Mix until getting a grey, homogeneous consistency. Application. Evenly spread the mixture over the area to be repaired, leaving a minimum thickness of 3 mm. The product will reach its functional cure in 60 minutes. After this time, the equipment will be ready to operate again. If working on vertical surfaces, apply a thin layer of Durafast MX2 to wet the surface and increase the adherence. Then continue the application until the desired thickness is obtained. Bertec. We make it simple.